Hey guys, Jessie Denhart here at the CEDIA2023 Draper at Home booth, and we are showing our new carrying case for samples at Draper. So it comes in this carrying bag. It comes with the strap, the shoulder strap, Draper at Home roller shade collection, and inside of this bag it has the privacy and room darkening fabrics and also our solar fabrics. Alongside all of that stuff in this pouch here, we will have a Draper at Home lookbook, which will show you multiple different projects that Draper has done, so you can show your customer what they will be doing and getting. Also, it comes with a designer edition of the Sherwin-Williams swatches for our new color match that we are doing. Inside of the privacy and room darkening portion of the sample kit, we have a very cool feature that we are showing. Here is a QR code that you can scan to see if we have discontinued any of the fabrics inside of this kit. So instead of getting email blasts and things like that, if you happen to miss it and you're showing your customer, scan this code and it's gonna give you all of the available fabrics to date. We also are showing our perfect color match to give people some ideas of what we are capable of doing. We also are featuring our hardware finishes. So with our Flex Style, we have 10 different colors, and we also have our normal interior and exterior hardware colors as well. Something also that is unique about each one of these is that on the back of each one of these cards, now this is a prototype, the goal is for us to have all of this information on the back of each one of these cards. So we'll be able to tell you what the roll is, if it's interior, exterior, if it's spire rated, if it can railroad or not, if we can print on it, and all of the other good information on each one of the fabrics. Now showing the solar side of the book, it still has the QR code you can scan to make sure you're up to date on all your 1, 3, 5, and 10% that are available. Another cool feature is we have an openness comparison chart. So if your customer is just not sure what openness they want, you can stick this in the window and they can see what it would look like if you were doing a light fabric versus a dark fabric. We're showing again some of the custom collar pattern things that we're doing, but these are printed on solar shades, not our roller shades, so they can see this as well. Same thing here, prototype. However, all of these will still have the same information. If you see here now, this one has the outdoor use with our solar and rollers. So this is going to be all the information on each one of the backs of these cards.